Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Frost Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do some gaming on my T-Mobile REVVL 2 Plus, but before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to play some heavy games on my T-Mobile REVVL 2 Plus. You know how we do it. I'm actually going to check out the temperature of the phone, and then how much does the battery drain while playing these games. Y'all know the 3 games I'm going to play already. There you go, Asphalt 9, Impact 3rd, and Tekken. Not Tekken, by the way. I have learned that, I think, by now. I want to see if this MediaTek processor can handle these heavy games. I want your opinions on it. How does the speaker sound? Does it look like it can handle these games? Then also, how hot does the phone get? Does it overheat? Does it slow down? So let's get this going. I just want to see how hot the phone is. Yes, I do have to get a temperature gauge one day, maybe. So right now it says 84, 83. So let's play the first game. I'm going to play Impact 3rd. I really don't know what I'm doing on this game. How does it look? Y'all let me know how it looks and sounds. Oh, y'all let me know how this looks and sounds. Tag teaming them. Man, there's a lot of people. Uh-oh. Oh, kicking her butt. Oh, I think I won. How did that sound? How does this look? Damn, I'm gonna play one more round. Oh, whoop some butt. Oh. Uh-oh. How does this look and sound, y'all? Volume's all the way up. Y'all let me know how that looked and sound. I thought it did pretty good. Alright, so that was some Impact Third. Let's check this out. So right now it's at 85. It's going up a little bit. The phone feels fine. It's not hot at all. 86. So just say it's at 87 degrees, which it just went up to 83% battery life. I think I started at 87 or 88. So it dropped 5% in battery. So let me play the next game. Some Tekken. Alright, y'all let me know how this looks and sounds. Do y'all see any type of skip rates? Frames, I mean, not rates. Man. Oh, got that TKO. Again, how does this one speaker sound? I think it sounds pretty good. How does it look? Oh, kick your butt already. Man, I'm not giving her a chance. And she's blocking everything. Oh, perfect. Oh, that was easy. But again, what y'all think about it? How does it look? How does this one speaker sound? How does the display look? Perfect. I win again. Talking smack. But again, y'all let me know how this looks. I'm trying to look for slowdowns. I don't see any. Sounds like he's cursing right there, but... Oh, I just waited for him to... Oh! Alright, so that was some Tekken. What y'all thought about that? Actually, I thought it played pretty well, but I want your opinion. Let's see how hot we are. The phone is a little warm in the back, but not much at all. So say 90 degrees, that's not bad at all. Alright, so I'm gonna clear out these apps. I saved the best for last, Asphalt 9. If you follow the channel, you know I play this game a lot. Yes, I'm still waiting for them to bring a minivan in here. Alright, so y'all know I like playing some Asphalt 9, so let's play that right now. Y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. I think it looks pretty good so far. How was this whole video? Alright, so I gotta win the race and drift 109 yards. Get off me. Oh, that was bad. That wasn't the greatest, Now, I haven't played this game on here. Come on, I gotta go. First place. I don't know if I drifted enough, though. Oh, I didn't drift enough. I didn't get all the flags. I get to move on, though, but I didn't get all the flags on that round. How does everything look and sound? Y'all let me know. The phone is a little bit warmer now, but it's not overheating at all. And I've been doing this for about almost 20 minutes now, if not longer. Oh, this is time trial. Oh, you seen that little slowdown? If you're watching that in the replay, if you're watching this in the video, y'all seen that. I know I seen it. It was like a little hiccup in the game. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything else like that. But that's the first time I seen that. Hey, I won again. I'm gonna try to play one more time. I want to see if it slows down. Again, the phone is not warm at all, though. Let's see if it lets me go. Yeah, see? I gotta go back here. So, to get the flag, I need to drift 109 yards. Yeah, I drifted. Let's see if I can win the race too. I don't even have to though, but I like winning. Get off me, fool. So I won all the flags. Now I get to go to the next round. Alright, so I'm going to do one more race. How does it look and sound so far? Now you might hear some music really low. I did turn that down just for, you know, copyright purposes. But everything else should sound pretty loud. Oh, see, look, it stuttered there again. So I seen it do it 2 times with this video, with this game. Is that a deal breaker for y'all? I mean, if you play heavy games, you don't want that to be happening. I don't blame you if it is. I gotta drift more. Now I gotta catch this car. Oh! Ah! Man, he beat me. Oh, I finished 3rd or better, so I definitely won. Alright, so that was some Asphalt 9. What y'all thought about that gameplay? I did notice that it did hitch twice. Now, we started the video at 88%. If my V40 would focus, we had 78%, so it dropped about 10%. Let's see how hot the phone says it is right now. Alright, so 93%. That's actually pretty cool. So what y'all think about that? How did this T-Mobile REVVL 2 Plus handle those games? Y'all let me know in the comments. I did see 2 skip frames while I was playing Asphalt 9. Hopefully it was portrayed in the video also, but I definitely seen it. But y'all let me know if that was a deal breaker. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the T-Mobile REVVL 2 Plus. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.